Extremely healthy but super delicious salad is ready for you today. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nilrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today really a protein loaded, no carb salad and a full meal for you today. Now here I have heated a pan. To this goes mustard seeds, chana dal. This is the tempering going on, a little bit of urad dal, few cloves of garlic, one medium-sized onion finely chopped. Now just make them a little bit translucent. Then goes green chili. This goes according to your taste. Few curry leaves and some hing or asafoetida. Now let the tempering be aromatic and then add few tomatoes. I have added one medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Now mix the tomato and to this add a little bit of salt to soften the tomato, but we don't want the tomatoes to be mushy. Be careful about that. Now to this I am going to add boiled chana dal. This chana dal should be boiled but should not be mushy again, and they should not lose their shape. Now mix everything very nicely. Let it cook for a few moments. Add salt according to your taste. We have already added a little bit of salt while frying the tomatoes. Add half cup freshly grated coconut to this. This is actually a sort of sundal, which is very famous in South India. This sundal is really very tasty. Without onion and garlic, this can be used for puja purpose also. Now fry this nicely for 1 or 2 minutes and your power packed sundal for our salad is ready. Now we'll keep this aside and we'll put another pan or fry pan on the gas stove. Add a little bit of butter to it and we are adding some steamed prawn. I have steamed this prawn. They are nicely cleaned and deveined, and I have added a little bit of salt to it. That's all. This is saline water infused prawns which I have not boiled but steamed. Now here goes into a little bit of pepper powder and I will be squeezing a little bit of lemon juice to it. So we want to keep our prawns in its original basic flavors to be retained in butter infusion. Now here I will be putting one more pan on the stove, gas stove, and after adding some oil to it, I will be adding a handful of curry leaves, a little bit of garlic, green chilies, some chana dal and some cumin seeds, jeera, whole jeera. Fry them till they start crackling. And then I will be adding the black chana or the Bengal gram. This is known as, we call it pakhi chola in Bengali also. So this is boiled. Black chana is boiled. Add some onion, 1/4 of an onion, coriander leaves, freshly chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, and again squeeze a generous amount of lemon juice to it. Your stove should be off. Your gas stove should be off at this point. Now mix everything nicely and the last part of your salad is also ready. Isn't that easy to cook, friends? And trust me, it's loaded with health, but it is extremely delicious at the same time. This is a wholesome, dinner menu, lunch menu, or you can serve it to your friends in an evening gathering also. It's really weight cutter. You can try this and let me know, friends, how you liked it. If you liked it, please smash the like button, share with your friends, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.